Hi there, this is Rose and welcome to my channel. I want to share to you my fluffy buttered pancakes. This is so simple to do with few ingredients and I will assure to you that you will love these butterlicious pancakes. So here are the ingredients. One cup all-purpose flour sifted. 1/2 cup sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix until well combined. One cup milk. One-4 cup melted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, mix well. One piece egg, mix well until combined and no lumps. This is our batter. Prepare the pan in the medium heat. Grease it with oil. Pour or scoop the batter into the pan. Let pancakes cook until bubbly and edges are dry or until golden brown, and flip the other side. Repeat the process. This makes 6 to 8 pancakes for this recipe. And this is my fluffy buttered pancakes. You can put some butter on top of it and with your desired syrup. Enjoy! Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.